How to find your browser type and version. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can find your browser type and its version. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. So the process of finding your browser type and your version is really similar in all of the browser's cases. So all you have to do is first open up the browser. After that, so in this case, I'm showing you guys the Google Chrome one. So head over to the three dots on the top right corner of your browser. Tap on it, and there you will need to head over to your settings. So find your settings. So if you don't find it, scroll down, and there it is. Tap on your settings, and it should open up a different tab or a pop-up. After you're there, scroll down on the left tab bar and find About Chrome. So there you will see About Chrome. Tap on it, and after you tap on it, you will see the type of browser it is and its version. So yeah, that is basically how you do it. Now let's do the same on our Microsoft Edge. So open up a browser, whichever you want. Tap on the three dots on the top right corner. After that, head over to settings. It's right here. And after you head over to your settings, find About. So it should be right around here. So scroll down and there you will see About Microsoft Edge. Tap on it, and after you tap on it, you will be able to see its version. And that's basically how you find your your browser's type and its version. Thanks for watching guys. That is how you do it. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye.